are going to be trying something new, something we have not done before. Like, I'm so excited to try this out. Like, I saw this style on IG and I said to myself, Norma, you try this hairstyle, guys, and I did. So first of all, I'm going to be moisturizing my hair, which is very, very important. Of course, you guys know how much important it is for us to moisturize our hair. Can you see how moisturized the hair looks already? Guys, can you see that? Can you see? Like, I just love the way I love my hair, guys. I just love it. So keep watching and see the magic. I so much love my hair, guys. You know that healthy scalp will always grow a healthy hair. Of course, you know that. Please join me. Let's make this journey beautiful in this natural theme, okay, guys? So I'm using my old plait to make this video. Like, I've been so lazy to do anything, like to help my hair, but that doesn't mean that I've not been keeping my hair moisturized. Of course, I do that. Like, I do that. So I'm using it to make this hair because it's a wrapping hair, so it doesn't matter if it's new or old. So let's just try it and see if it will work out or not. But trust me, it must surely work out because I can never disappoint. You guys know that I can never do that. So guys, keep watching. Guys, at this point I switched method because the previous method was not working for me the way I wanted. Like it was not giving me that smooth look. And again, I also changed sorry guys. So the reason why I'm using this method is because I needed the dreadlocks to be longer. Like the first method was okay, but not really okay for me because it was not long. So I needed it to be long a bit. So that is why I switched to this method, which I believe that this one is okay. So guys, tell me which method you prefer and which method you would be trying out. But for me, I think I prefer this last one. This last one is okay and perfect, so smooth, and it is giving, guys. Wow, guys, do you see how beautiful I'm looking? Like, I look so beautiful, guys. This hairstyle looks so good on me. Guys, try this hairstyle out and thank me later. Wow, I can't believe this. Really? So I'm this beautiful. Like, I'm blushing. Guys, if you love this video, like if you love what you watched, please subscribe, please like, please comment, please don't forget to share. You guys are my number one. To my returning subscriber, I love you guys so much. Bye.